Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Today I am going to show you how I got my traveling braid, the two braids that I was wearing while I was traveling all over the United States. Literally, I flew from Seattle to Kansas, and then I jumped in the car with my mom and drove from Kansas all the way up to New Jersey, New York, Washington, D.C., and Maryland. So I wanted to show you guys how I did my hair for that whole 2-week trip. If you guys haven't realized, jump on board because we're jumping right into this video. I am going to have a couple of videos up later on how I got my hair in this stretched out state. So please stay tuned for those videos. I will not be talking in this entire video. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing and how I'm braiding my hair. I really can't explain how I'm braiding my hair, but I am going to do like the halo effect of a braid. So one thing that I want to note, or a couple of things that I want to note, is this is all of my hair. I am braiding all of my hair, no weave added. I am going to leave in me messing up braiding a couple times because I am not a expert in braiding. I just really learned how to French braid my hair. And I want you to take note on how I am making sure the ends of my hair do not get tangled or like matted up on itself to where I have to snag and pull at the ends of my hair. I take my fingers and pull all the way through when I am creating the braid. That is the most important. We want to save our ends and not have our ends look a hot mess. So basically, I am just going to be braiding my hair, and I'm not using a mirror. I don't know why I cannot do this style in a mirror. So yeah, I'm not using a mirror, you guys. I'm completely freestyling this whole thing. Let me know down in the comment section if you like this hairstyle. You guys, if I didn't have to have my hair in a stretched out state, this would be kind of like my go-to hairstyle when I don't have many braids in. So just note that I do want to try this on like non-blown out hair just to see how well I can actually get my fingers through my hair. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. If you like the hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave comments down below if you try this hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching.